Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to unbox the Redmi K20 Pro from Xiaomi. As they called it, Flagship Killer 2.0, a budget-friendly Snapdragon 855 smartphone. But before jumping into the video, please subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification button, like and share it to your friends. Alright, we're going back right after this short intro. Okay, so the variant that I bought is 8GB of RAM, 256GB of internal storage, USB Type-C, 4000 mAh. And by the way, currently this phone is in China ROM. The global version will be out on July 17th. The box is real cool. Once you open, you'll see another box that holds the SIM ejector tool. Opening it also, you'll see a manual. I assume this has a Chinese text, might or might not read this one. So let's set this aside. The free plastic jelly case, let's set this aside also. The phone comes with a 6.39-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels and an aspect ratio of 19:5:9, and the glass panel is powered by Gorilla Glass 5. The back of this phone is really cool. If you move or tilt it with light, it changes the color. Very cool, Xiaomi. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Redmi K20 Pro on the rear packs a 48-megapixel primary camera, a second 8-megapixel camera with an aperture of 2.4, and a pixel size of rear camera setup as autofocus. It sports a 20-megapixel motorized camera on the front for selfies. The rest of the box is the power adapter and the USB Type-C cable. Let's boot up the phone. It might take some time, so let's transition this one. The Redmi K20 Pro is powered by a 2.8 GHz 1-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor that features 1 cores clocked at 2.84 GHz, 3 cores clocked at 2.42 GHz, and 4 cores clocked at 1.8 GHz. The K20 runs Android by MIUI 10. This phone also sports an in-display fingerprint scanner, which is fast and a very smooth animation. So let's test the device by using Antutu benchmark, and let's see what will be the score of this phone. And the score is 369,303. Wow! Very cool, Xiaomi. My favorite part of this unboxing is the gaming experience. Let's give it a shot. First up is NBA 2K19. Whoa! Loading of this game is so fast. Wow! So to test the graphics power of this device, which I totally trust because it's Adreno 640, we're going to max all graphics settings.
Well, I think the defense got lucky right there. I mean, he's going to make a lot more of those than he misses when he's got that much room.
By the way guys, I'm recording this gameplay using the screen recorder of MIUI at 60 frames per second.
Soft touch off the glass. And here is Durant. So he gets the whistle, contact on the way up, and 2 shots coming up. That's good from Durant. Durant hits them both. About 1 minute into the first quarter.
Up next, the Asphalt 9. Haha. Well, I'll try my best to be the best driver here. Well, and the last one, my favorite MOBA game, Mobile Legends.
Experience the euphony of suffering. I will compose the greatest sonata. Your death.
You have slain an enemy. Mega kill.
I only fight for myself.
You have slain an enemy. An enemy has been slain.
Don't even try to escape from my side. Let's make this quick.
Your team destroyed a turret.
I will compose the greatest sonata with your corpse.
An enemy has been slain. Enemy has been slain.
Let's make this quick.
行きます。Victory!
Up next is the camera. I'll show you some samples from basic 8 megapixel to 48 megapixel, the motorized selfie camera, and the slow-mo video from 240 frames per second to 960 frames per second. And that's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And by the way, this phone, I bought it from XUNDD Philippines. So check the description below. Hope you leave a like, get subscribed to my channel, click that bell notification button, like and follow my social media accounts in the description below also. Catch you on later, guys.